What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula or chemical formula of copper 2 chloride. So I start with copper. Copper is Cu and the charge is 2 plus because we have 2 here, and since it starts with this one, it has to be plus. Chloride is -1. So if I want to write the chemical formula, it's going to be CuCl, 2 is going to sit here, 1 is going to sit here. So it's going to be CuCl2. Then I need to find out the molar mass or molecular weight of CuCl2. Cu is, the atomic mass of Cu is 63.546. And atomic mass of chlorine is 35.45. You know, for finding the molar mass or molecular weight of each compound, we need to find out what elements we have and how many from each. So here we have the atomic mass of copper and chlorine. We have 1 atom of copper and we have 2 atoms of chlorine. So that makes it 63.549. And here we have 2 times 35.45. So this is going to be 70.9. Then you need to add these two, 63.549 plus 70.9. That makes it 134.449 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of copper 2 chloride. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.